So welcome to this lecture number 8. Okay. So we are talking about this continuous quality improvement at a program level. Okay. And regarding this PO1 to PO12, PSO and PSO2, we have to mainly focus on this activities. We have to give the less information regarding conducting of tutorial assignment, but we will focus only the activity about co-curricular, extracurricular activities. That's why the academic calendar events are conducted to strengthen the PO and PSO. So we have to give the more justification about what kind of various activities are conducted to strengthen the POs. The exact procedure is, for example, to strengthen PO and PSO, I conducted one workshop on solar power. Then after conducting the workshop, I will give again the questions. Okay. So the student able to fill that as a survey type. The student able to fill that and I have to analyze that one. Okay. So this one of the way to analyze after conducting the workshop whether their levels are increased or not. Okay. So this is one of the action taken report to strengthen the PO scores. And not only that one, we are calculating that without backlogs how much, with backlogs how much. Okay. So once they graduated, as a counselor, we have to take care about those who not graduated also. Okay. And we counsel the students who are not graduated and give the special focus and will interact their parents also. Okay. And we have to give the some material or we will conduct some remedial classes even though he is graduated but with backlogs. He has some backlogs. So this is one of the more positive aspect will improve ourselves. Okay. Generally, we don't talk about much about once we graduation, even though he is has backlogs or not. But if you focus, even though if we have some backlogs, then this is some positive aspect of the department. And remaining people will counsel them to write the gate examination. This is no problem at all. Another important question is the revision of curriculum. So what are the process we have to follow the revision of curriculum? This is very important. So this, we know that PO and PSO attainment level for each batch. At the same time, the CRC, the class review committee, and the other stakeholders, we are taking this inputs also. So these values and these response of these stakeholders, and we can analyze and whether target reached or not, or if any gap is identified. Okay, so based on these values and these response, so they try to identify that gap and fill that gap. So any topics to be added or any courses to be added or any topics to be deleted. So based on this suggestions, we'll go for changes in next regulations. So that's the remedial measures. Okay. So this is one of the process how to identify the gap based on the PO and PO settlement at the same time stakeholders. Okay. So this is the revision of curriculum. Then we completed this course level and program outcome level, then finally program education level. So after 4 to 5 years, we'll go to this industry and take an opinion. Okay, employer survey, one of the tool. Alumni survey was one of the tool, and attainment of PO is third. So there are 3 tools. Okay, surveys and attainment of POs and PSOs. But with the weightage, we have to give the more weightage these surveys because they are directly affected, and less weightage for the POs and PSOs. Okay, for example, we show one example. For example, this employer survey about the POs. Okay, then we'll go to the industry and ask this employer how our graduates' ability. Okay, whether they solve the real world problems. So this kind of Google as we will ask the people. So based on these assessment, then we will calculate how much able to achieve our PUs. Okay. Similarly, we will ask the same question to alumni survey also. Alumni, when we come to the department, or we will send it through mail also. We will ask take a survey about this PEOs. Okay. So this is about the assessment of PEOs. So thank you for watching, and we need your valuable suggestions and comment also. I hope it's very easy to learn once if you go through all the videos. And please share your comments if you identify any ambiguities there or even difficulties there. Please free to ask and share your comments. And thank you.